Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this?
Cherry the worst.
Do y'all see it? Do y'all see me? So boom, welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Jerry. I'm a graduate and I'm going to be showing I'm too pumped to be graduating. You're going to be getting ready with me to get my senior pictures done. It's not my senior portraits where you it gets in the yearbook and whatnot. It's senior improv pictures where you take pictures to let people know you're graduating, and like, you know, it's a celebration, I guess. I've just been so busy and I decided to come back with a hair tutorial and a makeup tutorial and to announce that I'm graduating, all in 3, babe. I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this wig. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did an insinuated cut crease. Basically, an insinuated cut crease is a soft cut crease. It's not really a cut crease, it's not as sharp, it's just very soft. I got the idea for an insinuated cut crease from my favorite freaking makeup artist, Beauty by Melissa. Y'all, please go follow her. She's amazing. I don't think I have anything else to say. This look took a very long time. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I got this shirt, if anyone's wondering, from my local bookstore, my Howard bookstore, for graduation pictures, you know, to let you guys know I'm graduating. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. All right. Alright, you guys, so we're going to be doing a whole little 2-in-1. I'm going to be giving you a review while you watch me style the hair. That way this video isn't like freaking 30 minutes long. But today we're going to be working with Alipearl Hair, and it came with a wide tooth comb, a pink bag to put my wig in when I'm done with it, as well as a wig cap. And I'm showing you the curl pattern right now, or the wave pattern. This wave pattern, I'm going to get into it later, but I do really love this wig because of the texture of it. Also, it came with a wig cap, and I'm about to show you the lace on the wig. The lace on the wig is like my second favorite thing about it. It's full, but it's not too full, and you can easily pluck it. Sometimes when I'm plucking wigs, it be taking forever, and if you look at the way that I plucked the left side, I tried to pluck it in a way where the hairline wasn't as defined, but it was also still thick, because when you over pluck it, it does look good when you first do it, but like over time, when you take into account that your closure naturally has to shed, it just starts looking, it's like trash after a while. It starts looking way too plucked, like overly plucked. Like it's balding in some areas, and I don't really like that, and I experienced that before. So I definitely avoided it this time. But yeah, I really just wanted to talk to you guys about how low maintenance this wig was. Like literally right after just plucking at the closure, all I had to do was co-wash it, and it went straight back into the curl pattern that you saw at the beginning of the video. And even when I put my little wand curls into it, it goes right back into that same curl pattern. Once the wand curls, you know, they drop a little. And I thought that was cool. Like it remains that same pattern, and I don't have to keep working at the hair. Like it was very easy to maintain, to put on. I just put a big old bonnet on at night, and even when I run my hands through it, I don't get shedding at all. And I don't even need to do a lot of maintenance in the morning with it to even like see shedding. You get what I'm saying? Like sometimes you have to really like comb through the hair, flat iron it, make sure it's looking shiny. This hair is already shiny. Like I don't know, like I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys check Alipearl out. That's about it for this part of the tutorial. Now we can get on to the makeup. Alright, so my base is going to be Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base, and it's in the color Etch. It's their deepest shade. I really like this shade because it kind of highlights without making me look ashy. And I'm going to apply a good generous amount and tap it out onto my lids. Don't pull it, tap it out. And I love this base. The only reason that I got this base was because I heard it was like the P. Louise. Whatever. I keep saying P. Louise. It's Plop. I forgot to state this, but the eyeshadow look I'm going to be doing is from Beauty by Melissa, and I love Melissa. Like I've been following Melissa ever since I started doing makeup, honestly. Now I'm going to use a clean brush and pat down that concealer to take off all that excess concealer. Now that I got my base laid up, I'm going to use my Profusion Cosmetics Mattes palette as well as my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. These have some nice ass browns. Like the browns really complement my skin and they look so good. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to dip into, because when I look at Melissa's eyeshadow, I see this first is the brownish orangish type of shade that she puts at the outer perimeter to kind of warm up the look a little. And so I'm going to load my little Morphe M504 brush and pat that thing on. One thing she made of note in her video is that she taps and she doesn't pull the eyeshadow because she doesn't think it blends, and she uses a big poofy brush to kind of help with the blending process. Boom, boom. So what we're about to do right now is take a darker color and move a little bit under that orangish brown and kind of deepen our eyes. I know it's so tempting to touch Surface Umber and do this, but I'm going to use Rustic because I know Rustic is a little bit darker than my own complexion, and it's going to deepen it without looking too harsh just yet. Like I'm going to use Surface Umber, but not right now. So I'm just going to go at the outer perimeter and tap it with a smaller brush. You can use the same brush, but this brush kind of helps me in my crease area. In order to cut our crease, you guys, but still give it that soft airbrush type of look, we're gonna still cut it, but we're gonna be using the shade Create. It's a little bit lighter than Etch, and we're gonna buff it out. We're gonna buff out that concealer into our eyeshadow, almost as if we're blending it, but kind of just buffing it on top of the color. Y'all, tap like your life depended on it. Tap, 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 tap. Ooh, I'm so happy I'm graduating, bruh. I finally get to do this makeup shit. At first, I was like, oh, I'll have time. I was accepting deals left and right. I was supposed to do a lot of hair tutorials. Then, like, the semester came around. The semester came and was like, girl, what you doing? Those 33 credits came and was like, so you think you like Superman? Like, you think you got it like that? After I got my base laid down, you guys, I'm going to take the colors Orange Soda and Tempera out of my Soft Glam palette. Mix them together and tap that one to my lid. And it just makes such a pretty neutral color for colored girls. Obviously, we're gonna go back in with our brush, right? And just start doing little swirls around that color. Little swirls. And boom, we got that soft cut crease we wanted, right? So I'm going to be using the NYX Glitter in Lumi Light, and it's like a pigment. I'm also going to be using ColourPop's Light Show Glitter as well, and it's actually a pressed glitter. So this is going to go on top of everything. I'm using one of Melissa's methods. She likes to mix glitters, so I'm going to mix glitters. Setting spray, right? Then I'm going to dip it into the NYX Glitter and tap it onto my lid. So I turned the freaking exposure down, I zoomed in, and you still cannot see what I see in person right now. It's annoying. Like, this is actually a really nice glitter. Can you take my word? It's amazing. I love this glitter so much. I take your eyeshadow brush and lightly tap on top of it and lightly just pull at the edges of that glitter. And I'm just going to darken up the edge one more time using Surface Umber, just to get that deep look I wanted. Now I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner from NYX. It's their matte eyeliner, and just line up my damn eye. Before I put on lashes, I have to put on mascara because my lashes are literally filled with glitter. I'm gonna put on my primer and my foundation. My primer that I'm gonna use is from Lancome, their La Base. And I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty foundation in 410. Surprisingly, my old area code. Oh, this brush is amazing. Oh my God, y'all, this feels like a beauty blender, but better. Like, it's making my skin look like skin. Oh, this is amazing. So I got my foundation on. You know the drill. I always use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I always like transition and try new concealers, but I just don't see a concealer doing the same exact thing as my Fawn. The thick consistency and it doesn't crease. Like, this is really my all-time favorite. Like, I love this concealer so smudge. Use this baby brush right here to pat all of that out. This is my e.l.f. brush, and I like this brush on my clients because it gets into their nooks and crannies of their eye without them flinching. I'm going to contour, and I'm going to be using, it's supposed to be a stick foundation, but it's a great contour. It's the Black Radiance foundation stick, and I'm using the color Espresso. Using my foundation brush to blend it out, kind of pulling it towards my cheek. Okay, I bronzed. Now I'm going to set up my my powder, and I'm going to use the same brush I used for my concealer to set my under eye. So now I'm going to take that same foundation brush and remove that powder from underneath my nose, or underneath my eye, excuse me. We're going to contour my nose. That's what I'm looking at. Now I'm going to move on to my blush. The blush that I'm going to be using is Quickie from Milk Cosmetics. I need it on camera. Ooh, this is the perfect brush for blush. I look cute. Let me take this backwards contour off, because if I don't take it off, it's going to be sharp. Now I'm going to spray my setting spray. While that's drying, I'm going to line my lips with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. I want a nude lip, but I don't want to use the same way I always get a nude lip. Now I'm gonna finish up with highlighter, and you know the drill. When in doubt, I always trust my Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. Right now I'm gonna put some highlighter at my inner tear duct area, and I'm going to be using my JD Glow Cosmetics highlighter just to add a little bit of shimmer. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Let me zoom in because I feel like you can't see anything. I'm late. I'm late. Okay, so this is the final look. My wig, my closure actually looks really good for fucking once. Like, I actually did something today. But that inner tear duct shimmer with that light pink undertone is setting it off. It's almost like a starburst. But as you can see, my nail's not done. I'm not going to have time to do that shit. I gotta go, okay? All right.
Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked.